In the last video, Shanta had been to a bank with Mrs. Indra Sharda to open an account. Today, she has received an opening kit from the bank which contains a welcome letter, passbook, a checkbook. Shanta is very happy on receiving the welcome kit from the bank. She is eager to share the same with Mrs. Indra Sharda.
Madam, I received this letter from the bank via post, so it means my bank account is operational now, doesn't it? Please check this letter and tell me, madam.
Relax, Shanta, relax. Let me check your bank letter. Congratulations, Shanta. Your bank account has been activated. Now you can start using your bank account and get all the benefits from the bank and government. This is the welcome letter, which mentions your account name and account number. This is the passbook. You can update this from time to time at the bank and get all the details of each and every bank transaction. Here you will find the date of transaction, the details regarding withdrawals and deposits, and also the balance in your account after each transaction. Please update your passbook whenever you do any bank transaction. You may also update it periodically and find details of your transactions. This is all about a bank passbook. Now let's understand what a checkbook is. A check is very important in understanding banking operations. A check is a printed form given by one bank to another bank to give a written order for making certain payments to the payee mentioned on the check. You can also withdraw money for yourself by writing a self-check. On the top right side, mention the date to execute the transaction. On the first line, mention the name of the payee. You need to mention on the check in numbers as well as in words how much amount you are going to pay. Put your signature in the bottom right section of the check. Please note, your signature on the check should match with the signature you use while opening a bank account. Avoid scribbling on the check. Payee name should be correctly mentioned on the check. The most important thing is you should have sufficient amount in your account before drawing any check. Otherwise, it is considered as an offense.
Madam, I am trying to understand the points mentioned by you. Could you please assist me in initial bank transaction? This will help me learn quickly.
Yes, sure. I will assist you.
Now let us check how much you have understood from the above scene. Question 1. Which bank document provides bank transactions with detailed history? Answer: bank passbook or bank statement. Question 2. Which document gives instructions to the bank in order to make payment to the payee? Answer: check. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.